Hey there, history buffs! Today, I'm diving deep into the untold story of Egypt's three Great Pyramids. These ancient wonders have stood the test of time, but how much do we really know about them? First, let's talk about the Great Pyramid of Giza. Built over 4,500 years ago, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Imagine the sheer ingenuity and manpower it took to move those colossal blocks. Recent theories suggest workers used a system of ramps and levers to hoist stones weighing up to 80 tons. Mind-blowing, right? But there's more. The pyramids weren't just tombs, they were astronomical observatories. The Great Pyramid's sides are aligned precisely with the cardinal points, and its layout reflects the constellation of Orion. This shows just how advanced ancient Egyptian knowledge of the stars was. Now let's uncover some hidden secrets. Beneath the pyramids lie intricate tunnels and chambers. One of the most mysterious is the Queen's Chamber, which remains an enigma even to this day. What treasures or secrets might it hold? Finally, let's not forget the significance of these structures. They were more than just royal tombs. They symbolized the pharaoh's divine power and their journey to the afterlife. The pyramids were the ultimate demonstration of a civilization's might and spiritual depth. So next time you gaze upon these ancient giants, remember, they're more than just stone and sand. They're a testament to human ingenuity and the mysteries of history. If you enjoyed this journey through time, hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating history tales. Until next time, keep exploring.